Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create an event reminder for your upcoming events in the Cozi Family Organizing application. So let us dive into this. Head over to your family account in the Cozi app, click into calendar on the left hand side and navigate to the given event. Left click into it. Next guys, what you want to do is scroll down and here choose first reminder. As you can see with my account type, I can create only one reminder. With other account levels or types, users can also create more. So I'm going to add the first reminder for the sake of this tutorial. Left click into it and choose the reminder date or time, for example, let's say 1 hour prior to the given event. Click into save. And after that, the given user or the family members that have been invited will be notified and reminded according to this setting here, and also depending on their notification settings in their account. For example, if they agree to receiving event and reminder notifications via email or through the desktop app or device, then they will be reminded of the upcoming event. Confirm by clicking into save in the top right. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.